In this video, I want to show you how to print pictures on photo paper using your Brother MFC-J1360DW. I will use a 4x6 photo paper that, by the way, I'll put links in the description if you don't already have. I'll put links towards Amazon. So for this video, I will use my Android smartphone, but if you have an iPhone, it's the same thing. If you're printing with a PC or a Mac computer, I'll make separate video on how to print using those devices. So the first step is to connect your the printer to the same Wi-Fi network that your phone is currently using. You're going to press once on this Wi-Fi button. Then you're going to select Find Wi-Fi Network and press OK. You may have to press the right side arrow to enable the Wi-Fi if it was not already enabled. Now you're going to have a few Wi-Fi networks presented to you. You can navigate using the up and down arrow. Select your Wi-Fi network in blue and press OK. Now it's time to type the password of your Wi-Fi. If your password has capital letters, you need to go on the lower left side, press OK, and everything will change to capital letters. If you have numbers, in that case, you need to select this icon over here, and it will switch to numbers. Press again, and it will switch to symbols. Now, once you have typed the password, go ahead and select OK and press OK as well. You're going to get connected, WLAN connection successful. Then, no matter if you're using an iPhone or Android, go on the App Store or the Google Play Store and download the Brother Mobile Connect app. It should look like this one. Now we are on the main display of this app. It looks like this. You're going to select Photo Print. You're going to select which picture you wish to print. In my case, it's this one. Now let me show you how to insert the photo paper in the printer. You're going to pull this drawer the same way you're doing it usually. And you need to adjust these green guides, depending on which size of paper you're using. For this video, I have a 4x6 paper with one side glossy, and this is the back of the paper. So for 4x6 paper, you'll need to bring this gray guide until you are in this position and see if you can glide the paper. If it's too narrow, like it is right now, simply move it slightly, okay, by pressing this latch and opening it. And now it's much better. Once the paper is, okay, glide it in between these two green tabs. You can bring them slightly together. Make sure it's not squeezing the paper. This is just so the paper doesn't enter the wrong way in the printer. And I forgot to tell you, but you need to place it with the glossy side, if there's a glossy side, facing down, not facing up. If not, it will make a mess. So just like that, I'm placing my photo paper over here, and then I'll bring this green guide until you get to the line where it says 4x6, if it's the kind of paper you're using. Then you can close this down. On the app, you're going to press this cogwheel. And you'll have a few different options that you'll have to change. First of all, the media type. If you're going to print pictures on glossy paper, well, you absolutely need to select glossy. If not, it will be a mess. Paper size, same thing over here. I'll select 4x6 instead of letter size. You can select if you want to print borderless or not, if you want to print in color or in black and white. And for the quality, I always suggest, if you print pictures, to select fine. This will bring a lot more details to the result. So I'll go back. At the end, once you're ready, you're going to press the print button. And here we go. After a few seconds, a minute or two, depending how complicated your print is, you're going to get the result out. Looks great, and it has been printed, as you see, on the glossy side and not on the backing. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, take a look at my Amazon links down below that I have put in the description to get some photo paper or also some new ink for this specific MFC-J1360DW printer, and leave a comment. See you in the next video.